How to use the ALMA Microcompt using its three buttons to navigate, select and validate a choice to perform an operation. The Microcompt has an LCD display which indicates a menu from the list which is on this plate. To navigate, you have three buttons. The blue one to select a menu from the list, or to select a digit, or to select a number. The green one to validate the selection or the indicated value or the message. The red one is to come back to the previous menu, or to cancel an operation, or to increase a digit or a letter. But let's see how it works. If I want to navigate within this list of menu here, I have to press the blue button and I can navigate within this list. If I want to enter into a menu, I select, for example, discharge, which is delivery. I press OK with the green button, and then I enter into the menu. Here I have to select from the list a liquid. With the blue button, I can choose the correct product I want to discharge. I press OK to validate the choice. Here I have to select the preset mode. OK. And here I have to select the volume I want to discharge. So with the blue button I can select a blinking number. See? And with the red button I can increase the digit. I can go up to 9 and it goes back to 0. So let's validate 200 liters with a green button. Here I have to select the compartment and so on. To go back to the previous menu, I just have to press the red button and so on. And I came back to that menu. If you want more information, you can see our other videos or you can just contact us.